Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be installing the AJT design emblem cover. As you can see in this before photo, the original color is chrome, and it has a tendency to shine and reflect the sunlight right into your eyes. So I chose matte black. It's a pretty easy installation, and it's a great looking finish. Let's get started. At the time of this video, the emblem is about $20 on AJT Design's website. You can see it comes packaged nice, and the finish is great. It's got sticky tape on the back, and all you have to do is just remove that sticky tape. I used a screwdriver just to peel underneath it as easily as possible without removing the tape itself. Use the alcohol swab provided to clean off the chrome emblem before you start sticking on the new emblem cover. As you can see, I'm reaching just behind the horn just to keep from honking the horn itself while I'm pressing this down. Going all the way around and just pressing real firmly just to make sure that the sticky tape is applying itself correctly. Well, it looks like we're all set. Like I said, this was going to be a super easy installation. I appreciate each one of you guys. Thanks for watching. Here's another before and after, just so you can see how it came out. Looks great. I really love it. Oh, and one last thing. Can't forget to put the sticker in place. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get future updates whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.